To find out how to make this spooky Halloween skeleton graveyard, stay tuned. First, we're going to start by painting our skeleton headstones. We're going to just paint it this regular black. It is also chalkboard paint. I'm just trying to reuse this until I finish the can. You want to make sure that you paint the sides as well. Then you're going to add your dirt to your gravestones. These are just regular glass candle holders. Next, you're going to take your skeletons. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They actually come in a pack of 4, so if you want to make multiple ones, you can. And you're going to dismember the skeleton. It's really easy to pop the pieces apart because they just pop on to begin with. Next, you're going to assemble your graveyard. You're going to take your backboard, which is going to be used as the headstone, and scratch it up to make it look like they were trying to escape. Then you're going to hot glue your different plots to the headstone. Next, we're just going to add our skeleton pieces to each of the plots. You can add any pieces however you like. I decided to put the main part of the body, the ribs and the arms, in the middle plot, the backbone in the last plot, and the legs in the first plot. And then I'm going to glue the skull to the headstone to make it appear as though it is floating above the body parts. Next, I added water to the dirt. I wanted to make it look like the dirt had been unearthed, since the skeleton pieces are clawing their way back up towards the top. Next, I just added a message above the floating skull. Something simple. I'm writing in memory. Next, I'm going to use the second headstone piece as a base for the project, and I'm just going to glue the top part to this bottom piece. And here is the finished skeleton graveyard. What do you guys think? What would you change if you were to make it? Or would you leave the project exactly the same? Comment down below and let me know. Do you guys think this is spooky? Halloween is coming up this Thursday, so if you guys decide to make this graveyard, please tag me on Instagram at haiku_creations. I would love to see your interpretation of this Halloween skeleton graveyard. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I wanted to stay on theme since Halloween is coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for keeping up with me. I love you guys so much. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.